Okay, guys, we're gonna welcome to geometry. This is my first lesson for geometry. So we're gonna touch the lesson line segments. Now, what is a line segment, guys? It is just a line with finite points, meaning that you don't go all the way like to infinity. So, for instance, if I was to have a line right here, and if I was to draw it like this and like that, these 2 points right here would be the arrows point to infinity. So what we're going to do is instead of having the arrow right there, we're going to have finite points. So finite points mean that we're going to be talking about specific points from one extreme to the other, just like that. Okay, so those are line segments. We have pieces of one line, and that's how we're going to work on it today. Okay, so you need to know what a line segment is. What's the between is points? So what's in between? What is congruent, guys? And that's another way of saying equal to. So they're the same for the most part. And congruent segments means equal segments. So let's go to it, okay? And please be patient, guys. This is not as easy as we would like it to be, but it's not hard at all either. Okay, you're gonna enjoy this. Okay. Okay. So let's start with example one, guys. In example one, of course, we have a nice problem right here, which is asking us to find the measure from x to z. And you can see, guys, right away. If you look at this, you're gonna see right away, guys. That from x to z, well, that's x to y and then x to z. So we need to add. We're going to add um, 11.3 plus 3.8, and that will give us xz. Okay, the segment between x and z. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna okay, I got this puppy, I got this 11.3 plus 3.8, and that will give us xz. So what do? Well, you grab 11.3 and 3.8, so you're gonna go 11.3, and you're going to add. Oops, sorry. You're going to add 3.8. Okay, so you get 11 here. Oh boy, it's not working out for me. Um, so it's going to be 15.2, guys. Okay, so it will be 15.2 centimeters, guys. You see that? Isn't that cool? Okay, now we're going to go here, guys, to the check problem right there. And this time we're going to have some fractions, guys. And this is kind of cool if you can write 2 and 7/10 inches and 5 and 9/10 inches. And they want you to find the measure from D to F. So you do exactly the same thing. You can make this a decimal, guys, so you can add the fractions. It really does not matter. For those of you who can really see this, you can see that you can add 2 and 5 would be 7. And then you add plus 7/10 plus 9/10, okay, and that it will be equal to 7 whole numbers. And because they have the same common denominator, guys, which is really, really cool here. If you can see these are the same, or that one is the same, and that one is the same. So what you're gonna have is 9 plus 7 will be 16. 16 tenths. Well, you can see that is more than um, than 1. 16 tenths is more than 1. So you need to go, okay, that's the same thing as 7 plus 1 and 6 tenths, right? Because you use 10 over 10. Because if you use 10 over 10, that equals to 1. And we're left with 6. Now, 6 tenths, guys, 6 tenths, you can reduce that to 3/5, right? So finally, the answer is going to be 8 and let me see, 3/5. That's correct. Okay. You can also turn this into decimals, guys, and you can get the answer to be 8.6. You divide 3 by 5, and you can also, the answer should be 8.6 as well. Okay, so you can do it either or. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and let's go and try to do another problem. Let's go to example 2.